At least 12 people have been killed in Somalia's capital Mogadishu after Al-Qaeda-linked militants attacked a hotel, seizing control in a siege that authorities are still battling to end, an intelligence officer told reporters on Saturday. The attackers blasted their way into the Hyatt hotels with 2 car bombs before opening fire. Somalia's Al-Shabaab insurgents have claimed responsibility. Sounds of explosions punctuated the night as government forces tried to wrest control of the hotel back from the militants, witnesses said. The Al-Qaeda-linked Al-Shabaab group claimed responsibility for the attack, according to a translation by the site intelligence group, which monitors jihadist group statements. Al-Shabaab has been fighting to topple the Somali government for more than 10 years. It wants to establish its own rule based on a strict interpretation of Islamic law.